Hi, friends. I hope you're doing good. Today, we are going to talk about AI, which has been a trending topic for quite some time now. And people have a wide range of opinions when it comes to the use of AI in different fields. In this video, we are going to specifically talk in the context of visual arts or the use of AI in visual arts. For those who are not familiar with it, AI or artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines, which are programmed to think like humans and to perform certain tasks like them and to mimic their actions. यानी कि आप एक सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम की मदद से एक कंप्यूटर या एक मशीन में इंटेलिजेंस डेवलप करते हो ताकि वो कुछ टास्क्स कर सके और ह्यूमंस की तरह डिसीजंस ले सके. हाउ क्रेजी इज दैट? वेल, पिछले कुछ टाइम से ये AI काफ़ी क्रिएटिव हो गया है. नाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल टू क्रिएट पेंटिंग्स, टू क्रिएट डिज़ाइंस, to create quick concepts just by using a few keywords or prompts. AI is adequately justified in areas where the whole purpose is to make the work of humans easier and more efficient. But does it really have a place in art? Well, that is debatable. It depends on how you define art and how you use AI. अब यहाँ पे दो साइड्स हैं. एक साइड में हम हैं आर्टिस्ट्स और क्रिएटर्स और दूसरी साइड में है मार्केट और कंज्यूमर्स. वी आर्टिस्ट्स आर ड्रिवन बाय आवर पर्सनल प्रेफरेंसेस एंड द जॉय ऑफ क्रिएटिंग एंड लर्निंग, while on the other hand the market and the consumers are driven by convenience, comfort and money. So there is always going to be a difference between the two sides. In the past few days, I have listened to the thoughts of artists like Steven Zapata, Adam Duff, Miles Johnston, and others on the ideas and concerns around AI. And to a great extent, I can relate to all of them. And I have been wanting to get my thoughts out so that I can ease my clogged mind and get back to drawing and painting as soon as possible. Well, let's talk about this along with the drawing. तो बात ये है कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि आर्टिस्ट सच में कोई ऐसा टूल यूज़ करना चाहते हैं जो खुद ही सारा काम कर दे. मतलब ऑटोमेशन की भी हद होती है भाई. वी ऑलवेज वांट कि काम थोड़ा सा आसान हो जाए. इट इज़ रिमार्केबल दैट AI इज़ केपेबल टू प्रोड्यूस इमेजरी बेस्ड ऑन सम प्रॉम्प्ट्स और कीवर्ड्स. मतलब आप सिर्फ कुछ कीवर्ड्स टाइप करो और कुछ ही सेकेंड्स में एक शानदार डिज़ाइन तैयार. To put it in simple words, you are just asking a machine to generate an image based on your thoughts. It does so by scrubbing through an available data set, and to some extent, you get the feeling that you just created an art piece. Well, for a moment, if we say that you did, was it the same experience as creating an artwork by filtering through your thoughts and engaging your mind and body to distill the knowledge and information that you have gathered from your experience of life and to express that through the marks and impressions you make on the canvas? Will you consider yourself an artist or just a prompter? And the image, does it resonate with you on a human level? Do you really feel the wow? Do you mysteriously wonder how was it created? Does it really move you? Do you feel the urge to meet the AI bot and ask about the process and experience of creating that piece? You hardly care. You won't really get emotional about it because it's not made by a human. We can't deny that humanity is important to all of us. In fact, the only thing that has survived through all the technology and advancements across ages is the human connection that we share with each other. We do and we must care more about humans than machines. So let's just keep some experiences for ourselves instead of handing them over to machines or AI. There have been such times in the past when there was a major shift in technology, like the invention of camera, the medium of digital art, the new age of AR and VR, but all of them are now used as tools to support the process of creating art and to enhance the experience of the viewer. These tools also expand on the possible uses of the artwork produced. The creation part is always a memorable experience for the artist. In fact, the process is more satisfying than the end result for most of the artistic pursuits. Art is the manifestation of who you are inside, your personality, your emotions, your experiences, your relationship with yourself and everyone else. I feel that AI cannot be compared with a professionally trained human artist. It does not have a human identity that we can celebrate, cherish, or value. We can be thrilled by what AI produces instantly by essentially using the datasets which are full of references from real artists with their hard work of decades and centuries being used mostly without their permission. Why do we need that? Did we really ask for it? Can't we enjoy the slow, steady process of learning and creating? Are we really done with growing as creatives? And what's the future? We don't really know. We can't predict how it is going to evolve in the future. Thanks to AI, that anybody anywhere would be able to make incredible looking art just like that. Then what? No one would need to learn how to draw, how to paint? Well, if the purpose of art was just to create a fancy image, we would have stopped learning already. We don't learn so we can create. We learn because we want to be creating. As artists, we must hold our grounds and be cautious. It is not like the AI is only going to impact the creative fields. It is also growing fast in the fields of programming, medical industry, etc. Of course, there are going to be some positive uses of AI, and it will hopefully change the world for better. But when it comes to visual art, AI seems to be soulless. AI can become a really good excuse to quit or not even start with your art career, as if you didn't have enough excuses already. If you are a person who is just starting and looking to pursue a career in art, and you are confused or discouraged and demotivated, trust me, there is no way an algorithm can replace you. Learn as much as you can, practice the fundamentals first, play around with new tools to support your process, and keep sharing stories and keep improving. There is no end to this, not as yet. You are not competing with AI. In fact, you are not competing with anyone. Your art is very personal, it is unique, and it just happens to resonate with some people who love it. Don't stop creating. Use fancy tools if you like, but do not depend on them. Continue being a creator. What will it give you? The process of creating is a reward in itself. There is value in creation. AI will bring some changes in the industry, and if you are really good with your skills, you will adapt to it if you wish to. So don't worry. Keep doing what you are doing. If you have any thoughts on this, please share them in the comments. And if you have been watching my videos and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider subscribing right now. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good time drawing and painting.